Right then, heme activation of cribbing. Down there and up and over where the car park is, and yeah, the mist is coming in. Can't do, some is up there, so let's go there. Up to Penny Fan, then down for cribbing. The weather's not looking favourable. But, somebody sent some good weather. Well, as you may have guessed by the title of this video, I didn't activate cribbing for HEMA. I decided to cancel the activation. Now, you saw in the first bit of this video where I pointed up, oh, the hill's over there, and you saw the mist. And the mist rolled in a bit more, and the wind picked up. I reached the summit of Corndu, which is the bit before you do the climb for Penny Fan, and then it drops down for cribbing. When I got to the summit, the wind had picked up. I could stand up, but the wind was still trying to blow me over, and it was just this instant wind all the time, and the mist was quite thick. And at that point I decided I'm not risking it. The best thing in that situation, if you get into that situation, is just to turn around and go back the way you came. Yes, I did have a map with me. I had Outdoors app on my phone, which you can log your walks, climbs, etc. But with anything like that, you need a visual clue to where you're going. Don't just look at your phone and go, oh, I need to go right, because you end up falling off a mountain. You don't lose any pride in cancelling any activation. Now, if you're into portable radio and you fancy doing these mountains, take basic necessities. Tell someone where you're going, what time you expect to be back, pack the right stuff, wear the right clothing. Don't go walking up Snowdon in your trainers. And I actually saw somebody doing that, and I thought, you stupid fool. Even today on Corndu, there were two girls. I don't think they knew where they were going, but they weren't wearing the right clothing. And they were asking me, where do we need to go, where I need to go? And I said, well, I can't see the summit for Penny Fan, so I'm not sure myself, but I'm going back down now. And kind of trying to hint the fact that they need to do the same. Which I think they eventually did, because when I was taking a break halfway down, they zipped past me. Anyway, I'm flapping my lips, so I'm going off topic. Yeah, if you've done your mountaineering before, ignore this video. If you're not done mountaineering hiking before, get some exercise in, do the low summits. Doesn't even have to be HEMA summits, just, walk up your local hill, look at local walking guides. But whatever you do, don't try and do Snowdon on your first time out, because you'd fail. And it's bloody hard work as well. You're going keying up camera, amateur radio stuff, antennas and what have you. So yeah. And the really annoying bit is about it now is, you probably can see, warm weather. It's cleared up. Annoying. So we've got an excuse to come back to South Wales. It's been a good few days. Hopefully the footage from previous activations will be decent enough. I did get a warning about corrupt file on your memory card. It says the only way to, these files are corrupted. The only way to save it is reformat your card. And I'm like, I'm not doing that. Took my card out, put it in, tried to do some video. I don't know if it's worked or not. If you think what the hell is on about, the videos are crap. And if this video is crap, it won't go up anyway. So yeah, South Wales for the week. It's been fantastic. Tomorrow is Thursday. Don't think I'll be doing much. Friday I go home. So plenty of editing for me to do. Anyway, yeah, just thought I'd just keep telling what happened and a bit about safety. There's plenty of videos about that anyway. I'm no expert on it, but I know when I need to back out of a mountain expedition. Anyway, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed the series, if the series gets uploaded. And until next time, thanks for watching. And I think tonight I'm going to do a bit of shortwave listening because it is QRM3 environment around here. It's brilliant. For the first time in ages, I picked up Voice of Korea, the Kim Il Ding Dong, the third shortwave radio show. Anyway, cheers for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.